business. 1. Introduction. 2. Understanding Facebook business. 3. Setting up your Facebook business account. 4. Creating a Facebook business page. 5. Building your audience on Facebook. 6. Creating content that resonates with your audience. 7. Monetizing your Facebook business page. 8. Advertising on Facebook. 9. Measuring success on Facebook. In summary, you can monetize your content on Facebook by using different tools such as sharing branded content, hosting paid online events, or placing in-stream ads in your videos. You can also leverage influencers who are people that are paid to promote content. To monetize on Facebook, you need to have a page or a group that meets certain requirements and follow the platform's guidelines. You can check your eligibility